morning, guys. So this is the typical combination that I take when I'm trying to avoid taking dairy. And guys, this combo is fire. Just try it out, guys. Try it out. Hi guys, how are you doing? Good morning. So I am getting ready to shoot a video, actually to shoot the second half of the video. If you are a hair content creator, you know that you can't do the whole video in one day. At least I can't. If you can, you're a superhuman. But a couple of weeks back, I got contacted by one of KTN's TV producers. She wanted me to submit a video for the KTN Life and Style segment. It happens every Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Now, the way my life is set up, guys, I am so late with this video. And yeah, so I'm so happy that at least I've gotten work done. Like, I'm back to my regular filming. I'm trying to get back, because once you take a break, it's so hard to get back. So yeah, I'm trying to get back. And yeah, so I'll take you guys with me, at least behind the scenes. You see how I did it, how I prepared. And yeah, so oh, in my previous vlog, in regards to the ring light, I forgot to credit NYOERO, shutting her out for linking me up with Sharon, because man, girl, you came through. Thanks, girl. Thank you. She's a fellow content creator here on YouTube. You can go check out her channel. I'll put the link down in the description box, so you can go check her out. She's amazing. Yay to content creators supporting content creators, especially here in Kenya. Yay. Okay guys, so there's a couple of things I want to like research on before I sit down and do the video. So yeah, that's because I was very conflicted in what I want to share, as in, will it be educational or will it be entertaining, you know. So yeah, so let me do a little bit of research before I sit down and start shooting. Yes. Okay guys, so I'm done doing my makeup. The only thing left is for me to pop on some lashes, but I wanted to show you guys the mess that is usually over here once I'm done getting ready. Let me switch the camera. This is it, guys. This is the aftermath of a face beat. Like all this mess. And I usually have this black and white top over here just to protect my faux fur countertop cover, whatever you want to call it, but it still gets dirty. But it's on its way to get cleaned. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is the mess. So guys, guess what? I'm just done shooting the first video. This is the second video, but right in the middle of shooting, guess what happens? Guess what? My neighbor just decides to switch on the pump, and I'm like, I was just about to finish. I'm so hungry. It's around 3 something. So now I have to wait until they switch it off, because I know it can be annoying hearing that sound in the background. So I have to wait. And guys, I got an eczema breakout on my neck. If you've watched my skincare video, you know that I told you guys my neck gets attacked all the time. All the time. So thank God when I'm far you can't really see it, but if you're up close, damn, napambana tu na hali yangu. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Alright guys, so today I woke up extra early. I woke up at 5:30, and you guys know during these COVID times it's so hard to wake up early because now we're working from home. Our whole schedule has changed. And yeah, so today I had to wake up early, get ready, like do a whole routine, shower, nini. And now it's 6:30 and I want to go get some uji just to get the energy flowing. And the reason why I woke up early is because today is my KTN TV feature, and I wanted to have that in my vlog as well as like in my archives. So it's always important to document your milestones, guys. Always enjoy your wins, even if they're small wins or big wins. Just enjoy, celebrate them. Aki, my hair has been in this low bun, yeah, with this to cuteness. Anyway guys, let's go get some uji. Hi guys, my name is Tichie and I am a content creator. I share fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos on my channel. And today on KTN Life Style, I'll be showing you how to style natural hair. For the kids who would like to take advantage of how versatile our natural hair is and try out different hairstyles, picking the right styling product is crucial for an amazing outcome. This is how my hair is looking when it's completely moisturized. Now, it's still a little bit damp because I didn't let it dry out completely, but this is what we are working with. Of twisting towards the face and twisting away from the face. So I decided to take this side out and twist it towards my face so that it can catch all the baby hairs that you can see, and so that the hair can lie more flat. As you can see, it's grabbing the hair very well, and I like that. The only thing that I regret is that I did not add water to this hair when I took it out, because it had already started drying, and this will cause this hair to have some frizz. You'll see later on. But can you see, guys, the difference is unreal. Always do this for your front section, just to get that extra definition and extra flayage, if that's a word. Parts and gaps that you have in your hair, and you can just see your volume in your hair. And this is the final results, guys. It looks so good. I am impressed. If you'd like to see more of my natural hair content, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. My name is Tichie across all platforms. And this is the same hair, just a different hairstyle. I pinned it all the way up and rocked this high puff. For more hairstyle tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My channel name is Tichie, and I hope you enjoyed this video.